Are you stuck with the error E105 on Xbox? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it and get your console back up and running. Let's dive right in. Error E105 usually happens when your Xbox has a corrupted system update or a problem with the hard drive. Basically, your console can't start properly, but the good news is there are several proven fixes. First, try a simple power cycle. Hold down the power button on your Xbox for 10 seconds until it shuts off. Unplug the power cable for at least 1 minute, plug it back in and turn it on. Sometimes this alone clears the error. If that doesn't work, go into the Xbox startup troubleshooter, turn off your Xbox, press and hold the pair button and the ejection button, then press the power button. Keep holding until you hear two startup tones from here. Select reset this Xbox, choose keep my games and apps if you don't want to lose data. This reinstalls the system software. If you are still seeing E105, you will need an offline update on a PC. Download the latest Xbox offline system update OSU1 from Microsoft's website. Put the file on a USB drive, insert it into your Xbox and run the update from the troubleshooter. This will replace corrupted files and should fix the problem. If none of these steps work, the issue may be with your hard drive or another internal component. In that case, contact Xbox support for repair or replacement. And that's how you fix the Xbox E105 error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Xbox troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.